Good morning, students. In today's English class, we will be doing the book exercises of Chapter 9, Nouns Possession. Now, in our previous classes, we have already covered about the 3 rules of nouns possession. Based on all those 3 rules, we will be covering the exercises of the book. Now, the first exercise is use an apostrophe to show possession. First one, the school where Irfan studies. Now, school belongs to whom? Who is the owner of the school? Irfan. So you will write Irfan's school. So Irfan apostrophe S and then school. A game meant for a child. Who is the owner of the game? Child. So you will write a child's game. The speech that the principal gave. Who gave the speech? The principal. So the principal's speech. The house where Rohan lives. Owner of the house is Rohan. So Rohan's house. The uniforms of the students. Now here, who is the owner of the uniform? Students. And student is plural over here. It's students. So you will be putting apostrophe after S. Students' uniforms. The helmets of the bikers' helmets, the dress of the baby's dress. So, based on the rules, you have to see that if the owner of the particular thing is singular, if the noun is singular, you will be using the first rule. If it is plural, but it is ending with S, you will be using the second rule. If it is plural but not ending with S, you will be using the third rule. The toys of the babies. Now babies is plural. So which rule you will be using? You will be using the second rule. The tail of an elephant. Now an elephant is singular noun. So you will be using the first rule. An elephant's tail. The shop of a grocer. A grocer is singular. A grocer's first rule, the shop. The shoes of ladies. Now ladies is plural. So ladies' shoes. We are using which rule? We are using, it's a plural and it's ending with S. So we are using the second rule. The birthday of my sister. My sister's birthday. First rule. The wedding anniversary of my grandparents. Now my grandparents are plural and it is ending with S, so it will only take apostrophe. That is second rule. The order of the commander-in-chief. The commander-in-chief is singular, so the commander-in-chief's order. First rule. The sting of a bee is singular, a bee's apostrophe S, the sting. The shirt of the boys. Boys is plural, so boys' shirts. So that was exercise 1. Now coming to exercise 2. Complete the words in the sentences using the words in the bracket and use apostrophe S, S apostrophe or of. So what is the name of this book? Now here you can see that there are sentences and in front of the sentences in the bracket there are different things, different nouns are written. Now how you have to use it? In bracket there are 2 nouns. The name oblique this book. Tails oblique squirrels. Costume oblique actress. So what you will find is, you will notice that one is the owner and second thing is the owner that is having. So first, like if we see the name, this book, that means the name belongs to the book. Tail, squirrel, tail belongs to the squirrel. Costume, the actress, costume belongs to the actress. Hut, the farmer, hut belongs to the farmer. The walls, the hut, the walls belong to the hut. Medal, tithi, medal belong to tithi. Bottles belong to babies. Nets belong to fishermen. Legs belong to stool. Legs belong to horse. So, in bracket, basically two things are given, the thing and the owner of that thing. So, how you have to do? You have to use apostrophe s apostrophe or of. So, let's start with the second one. Dash are bushy. So, what will be bushy? Tail, and tail belongs to squirrel. So, you will write squirrel's tail are bushy. Right? Squirrels' tails are bushy. Second, the actress costume is ready. Now, actress is ending with S. So, we will just put apostrophe. The farmer is singular. So, you will be putting the farmer's apostrophe S and hut. So, similarly, you will try these. And if it is a non-living thing, like in the fifth one and in the ninth one, it will take off because the hut is non-living and the wall is also non-living. Stool is non-living and legs are also non-living in ninth one. So, it will be the walls of the hut were not painted, and in ninth one, the legs of the stool are wobbly. Wobbly means shaky, hilte hain. Now, coming to exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences by using apostrophe or apostrophe s. So, again you have to remember, if the owner, the person who is the owner, who is having the ownership, that noun that indicates the ownership, if it is singular, you will be using the first rule, you will put apostrophe and s. If the noun is plural and ending with s, you will only put apostrophe. If it is plural noun but not ending with s, you will put apostrophe s. So, it is the birthday of Astha. It is Astha's birthday. You will be writing the complete sentence. He made a film for children. He made a children's film. The tools of the carpenter were stolen. The carpenter's tools were stolen. The room of his brother is decorated. His brother's room is decorated. The hair of Vanshika is curly and frizzy. Vanshika's hair is curly and frizzy. The wife of that actor is a doctor. That actor's wife is a doctor. So, you just have to pay attention on the noun that is having the ownership. जिसकी वो चीज़ है, आपको ये देखना है कि वो singular है कि वो plural. अगर noun that is showing the ownership, possession, is singular, apply rule 1. If it is plural ending with s, apply rule 2. If it is plural but not ending with s, apply rule 3. Now, in the fourth exercise, you have to change it into plural. So, किस चीज़ को आप plural में convert करेंगे? You will be converting the noun having the ownership. जिस noun के पास चीज़ है, like the boys' hostel. So, hostel belongs to the boy. Now, here in the sentence, boy is singular. You can easily see. So, you will convert it into plural. So it will take S, boys. So it will be the boys' hostel. So now apostrophe will shift at the last. The child's books. So child will be converted to children and then use the apostrophe. The peacock's feather. It will be change peacock into peacocks. That is plural and then use the rule. Man is singular, men is plural, convert it into plural and then into apostrophe. Puppy is singular. When you will remove Y and put IES, it will become puppies. So now after converting it into puppies, now use the apostrophe rule. Fairy ending with Y, it will take IES, fairies will be plural. So after converting fairy into plural, use the apostrophe rule. Ox, the plural is oxen. So after converting it into oxen, use the apostrophe rule. Spiders, plural is spiders. You will put S and then use the apostrophe rule. So based on the 3 and 1 non-living rule, that is 4 rules that you have learnt, based on all those 4 rules, we have to complete these exercises. Thank you.